guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be cleaning my car and decorating my car. I'm super excited because everything that I'm going to be using is from the Dollar Tree, and let's get right into the video. So I'm going to show you guys very quickly everything that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and then we're going to go for a car wash and clean it and decorate it, and we're going to do it together. And so very quickly, the first thing that I have in my hand right here is a packet of Kleenex. These are very handy and very useful to have, so I bought one. The next thing I have is a packet of plate. Yes, I also like to keep some plates with me in my car. The next thing that I got is a pack of 6 party cups, and we're going to be using this for organizing. Box of tissue, of course, pink. Pretty much everything that I own it in a shade of pink. A pack of these 3D heart stickers, and this is how they look like. Guys, how cute are these? We're going to be using these to decorate. I found these beautiful clip flowers, and we're going to be using these to decorate. A packet of gum, beads, and we're going to be using these to decorate. This beautiful wall sticker. Keychain that I did not get from the Dollar Tree. I got this from Ardennes, and yep, it's like that. How cute is this? A very cute pearl and a little pink bow. Well, next, I'm a bit extra, so I found these and I just thought it would be so cute to use as decoration. I was looking for like the pink color, but they didn't have the pink color, so the lady said that they probably sold out, so I got a very cute lilac purple color because lilac is a very cute color, and this is how they look like. So I picked up 2 of these. So now let's go wash my car and clean and decorate. These Clorox on-the-go disinfecting wipes, they're amazing. It's extremely dusty, and I need to dust like this area, wipe it down, and it's not, I guess like it's not too bad because I always like do it, but right now it definitely does need a dusting. The sunroof, all of this, well, I think that's from outside. You guys, how cute does my little keychain look? Oh my god, I love it. I'm obsessing over this keychain. It's so cute. You guys, remember how I showed you those wings? They're looking so cute. Check this out. Oh my god, I love it. You guys, how cute do these look? Okay, so I put it not at the front, but at the back. I just tied this string. Oh my god, and it's not distracting me at all while I'm sitting in the driver's seat. So very quickly, I just want to show you the front of the driver's seat. Like, as you can see, the wings are at the back and the string is so seamlessly tied there. So that literally took me 1 minute to do, and this is how it's looking, and honestly I'm loving it so much. And another thing that I absolutely love about this, that it's just a little sticker, so I think I can just peel it off whenever I want to. Stickers that I showed you guys, yeah, I'm deciding to put them here. So the pink flowers, the clip flowers I showed you guys earlier, I decided to put them right here. So I decided to hang the beads, and they look so cute. That is looking pretty cute actually. Remember these 6 party cups that I showed you guys from the Dollar Tree? Yeah. So I put these in my cup holder space, so my cup holders can stay nice and clean. How cute and easy is that? I know people use like the coffee filters, but yeah, pink cups are way cuter. crystal hearts over here, and I put a little pearl heart right there. Just a little one. Look how cute that looks. I put 2 pearl hearts just on the lights